How's she doing?
Doing pretty good. A little bolt-on L99 action.
I gotcha.
So, yeah.
They just finished this one, right?
Just finished it.
Nice.
Yeah. Pretty straightforward, nice and easy.
Very nice, very nice. What sort of bolt-ons does it have on it?
I think it's long tubes and cold air intake.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very clean car.
Yeah.
Hello, Brian.
Hi.
How's it going?
Just putting this whole pan on.
It's engine time.
Yep. Where's my garbage can? The f? Where is it? Kitchen? I didn't do it.
I was holding the trans brake button and I was bringing the RPMs up.
Oh, so the trans brake is designed just.
I know, but I was gonna creep up on it and see where it started popping. And when it didn't at 4, and I was like, I don't remember where it's at. We're gonna play it safe. I'm nervous. I literally got nervous. I was like, I don't know what it's gonna feel like.
What do you bring it up to with the foot brake?
That first run. Oh yeah, I can bring it up real far. But I think when I ran Nick on the foot brake, I think I brought it up to 3.
Big difference between 3 and 4?
Okay. You know, a 13860 made me poop my pants. And it wasn't like in Jason's when I cut that 1.4 as a stick, like it felt good, but it wasn't after I hit it, it wasn't like this crazy after. This was like, oh, oh! And then it was like kind of going right a little bit because I wasn't in the groove, and I'm like, slowly go left.
Yeah.
Slowly go left.
No, it was good. It's a good weekend.
Dude, I gotta get used to the
You eat it though, Justin?
first gear, and then comes down, and then comes back.
Right.
Like that's like a mind trip.
Yeah.
I need to do the calculations to like, I guess, figure out where in theory first goes to, because that'll help me better look at the speedo to know when it's coming.
Yeah. No, it's crazy stuff.
I still have a 131 in the 8 though.
Jesus. It was moving, man. Like, just going by like the first 330. It was just.
Were you off to the side?
Yeah. Yeah, it did. It really, really cool. I have.
Yeah, I mean, for a first pass,
Did it feel good?
honestly, it was the most uneventful
Really?
8-second pass I've ever made.
Really?
And I mean, that's a good thing,
Oh yeah, of course.
because literally I just squeezed into it and just rolled into it.
I saw the video. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't launch hard, I didn't do anything. And it was an 8-second pass off the trailer. For
Crazy.
the very first time, so I'm fine with that.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, if that's how it's going to start, it's going to get.
It's not a bad place to start.
Go fast.
Yeah, 8s is not a bad place to start at all.
But no, it was very uneventful. It didn't even feel fast, honestly. Maybe it's just because in the other cars, I get that violent launch. You know, like the off the trans brake. I mean, the launch in the Camaro was ridiculous.
Yeah.
The launch
for a turbo car was nuts. Yeah.
The launch in the C7Z
Also
was
ridiculous.
way harder.
Yeah.
Than what I left on in the C60. So it's got a ton of room.
Yeah.
I mean, look at what Joe's car did on the second pass.
Yep.
1850.
Yep. And he wasn't on the trans brake.
And he wasn't on the trans brake.
Yep.
And he still didn't really give it the beans at, at the launch.
Yep.
So there's only one place for it to go.
Yeah.
It's a whole lot faster.
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I hadn't even driven the damn car on the street.
Yeah.
I don't even know.
That was scary. That was what that was why I was asking about it. I'm like, did you drive it at all? You roll into it? And you're like, no. I'm like, okay, I guess we'll find out then.
Throw it on the trailer and see what happens.
Yep.
I mean, I was nervous about that.
I can imagine.
I mean, I mean, it's a whole new setup. I don't know how it's going to behave or feel or anything, but it ran a good time for first pass off the trailer.
Yep.
And a whole lot of room to go.
Yeah.
Go to the very last run.
Yeah, so you can tell. Yeah.
Still a lot of power on 91.
Yeah, it is a lot of power, especially considering these tires. I mean, these things are going to, with this taller sidewall, it's going to soak some up. We may as well throw in the E. I got a little bit of a event on that, so I know we've hit our limit.
Was it a Horizon event?
I ripped the little connectors out of there.
Lucas working on your Grom?
They got FUBAR'd in the trailer.
What? What happened? They got strap broke?
He had it strapped here, and then it must have moved, and it came down and like ripped one of the harnesses.
That's alright, dude.
Just the pin came out?
Yeah, but I had an extra one.
Oh, cool.
Because the back of mine broke, but you can only order the whole piece.
Okay.
So I just swapped the back and then left this in the box. And
Did anyone race Ferrellini?
Dude, oh yeah.
Just modded out Grom. It's not street legal Grom anymore. It doesn't have cats anymore.
Deleted a cat. Next track rental, when it's just all of us, that will be fun. Because we're going to run some Groms down the quarter mile.
Loser gets the middle. And they have to dodge all the cones.
Lucas will wheelie the whole quarter.
He'll wheelie into Joe and then he'll like wheelie into other Joe.
They gotta let Joe and I run our Groms down the court against each other.
Yeah, I can guarantee they will.
Yeah, I mean they let him run it last time.
Yeah, they'll let us. We need to get, what else can we bring out to pit bike challenge?
I mean, I can unhitch the trailer from the trailer. We're on the two trucks.
The tow rig challenge.
There we go.
You'll whoop all our asses.
Fill up with the 85 before we go.
Why is Nick stopping at A-Ho? Wait, son of a bitch.
Call me weird? No, not you.
Said it's weird. You had to be there, Lucas. You just had to be there, man. Brian, I'm really appreciating all the sour candies that you have.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
So reminds me of why we get along so well. It's because of your taste.
Is even good?
The Airheads?
They're pretty high on the sour scale.
I don't think they have any candy that's all the way up though.
That's bull marketing.
You look like a little guy in there.
What's up, dog? How's it going?
On my third one.
No way.
Yeah. Well, the first one that was already powder coated, and then the one that I made the other day.
Oh, like you're done with 3.
Yeah.
Okay, I thought you had to make. See, I thought you said you messed them up. You had to make 3. I fucking hate that.
I got 2 more to make. I was never able to do that noise.
Yeah, I know, because he's a lizard man or something. Looks good.
Yeah.
This one gonna be bare?
No. No, I'm gonna get powder
My
coated.
favorite thing in the world, Jimmy.
I know it is. Because you have lizard fingers or something.
I love it. It's so much
I was
fun.
never able to make that noise though. Sounds like a bug. Oh yeah.
I don't like it, especially when you don't expect it. Let's see this thing pop. Yeah. Ooh.
2JZ no
Damn. You put 5 inches on that intake or more. I like the little airbox thingy.
So now it's time to disassemble number 5.
Mm-hmm.
And then jig it and then make 2 more.
I like it. What's the hardest part to make? Probably the tube, right?
Yeah, because I already have the airbox. I have a template for it, and I know where the bends go, and I know where the mounting points are. So I've got the box down. And I've got the tubing down too. This is the second one. It's just I don't know. It's just more time consuming to get all the pieces to fit and rotate them to where they're, and figure out where I need to take off a little bit to get them to fit well.
Yeah, that's cool. Looks good, man. What's up, Tom?
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
Oh, you got some dirt in my eyes.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah, bro. How's that going?
Probably just because I walked up.
Spook the dirt.
Just threw some of my luck in your eye. Oh, it's got a supercharger.
It's got a little blower.
Or is it the radiator hose? What were you doing to this one again? I forgot.
Putting gauges in it.
What kind of gauges?
ADM,
AIM. That's how you pronounce them.
air fuel, oil pressure, which will be a fuel pressure.
And, oh, wideband. Well, the wideband's different than these two.
Yeah.
They're a lot slimmer
Those
profile.
are sick. They're so fucking slim.
Yeah, they're super nice. Mine like melted inside my dash, and it's still like read within like 2% of like 3 different dynos. It's pretty funny.
Wow.
I like couldn't get it out of the dash, so I just sold the car with it in there. It's a pretty car. How many miles are on it?
I don't remember.
It's low mileage.
I'm gonna change it.
Hello, Brian.
Yeah, I don't like how it's bending and collapsing the hose.
I do. Did it make good noises?
Yeah, all was solid. Oh yeah, it's probably gonna try to turn. Yep, it was happy. Okay, it was very happy.
I'm happy that it's happy and that you're happy.
Yeah.
You sound happy at least.
Everything's happy. Look at that. Yeah.
That's there. That's good to go. You don't even need a hose. That's done.
We'll just tape it together.
Ship her.
We're good.
Put her on the truck. She's done, boys.
What you got going on there, Nick?
Yeah, cut it.
Yeah, bridge jiggling.
Britch is jiggling.
That's perfect, Brian.
Jeez.
Or a
Take
little bit
another
more.
hair off of it.
A couple hairs.
That thing is the coolest thing.
What do you?
Uh-oh.
What did you do, Brian?
Nope. Yeah.
That'll breathe much better than the hose that was collapsing.
Oh, okay. You can have that.
Like we just did one of these.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Would you just look at it? I'm gonna have to start making a jig for these soon. What's up, dog?
This one already had headers and an exhaust, so we just did a off-road delete mod.
Feel ya?
It has the Bellinger headers with the pickle.
Really?
You ever seen the pickle?
I did see the pickle. How much pickle power is it make?
Pickle shot right
You need a shot of the pickle?
Let's see. Let's see the pickle. Look at that pickle.
Dumbest thing ever.
Shine some light on that pickle.
Yeah.
It's like a
It looks like an inverted buckle.
Tickle the pickle.
No. Nick loves
Hey, you ever
pickles.
seen the pickle?
Come check out this pickle.
You ever seen the pickle on the Viper headers?
Yes. Yeah. It's goofy.
good.
How does he shift this car? Oh, it's a terrible shift.
Mufflers?
It's got aftermarket headers, cat delete, OEM mufflers, and the OEM piping.
Gotcha. That's cool. This is a sick looking car, man.
Oh yeah.
I like those.
Yeah,
Those are pretty neato.
shift lights.
What's up?
Shift lights all up here too.
Oh, you got a shift light in there?
That's why.
That's so cool.
Looks pretty good.
Those are way nicer than the old ones, man.
Yeah. I like how slim they are.
Yeah. Did you have to run your own sender for the little oil pressure deal?
Okay, so he bought the wrong gauge, or he bought the right gauge, but they sent the wrong face.
Oh.
So
what is it for?
They use the same gauge and sending unit for oil pressure and fuel pressure.
And for what?
Fuel pressure,
Oh.
because they're both like 5 to 100 psi.
Right. That makes
But
sense.
they just changed the faceplate out.
They just put oil instead of fuel. Yeah.
And they didn't send the right faceplate.
That makes sense.
So this is actually fuel pressure.
Okay.
So he ordered one and he said he'll just swap it out himself.
I gotcha.
But
I always think it's a good idea to put a fuel pressure gauge in a car, honestly. Hey, you can diagnose so much, you know, with a wideband and a fuel pressure gauge.
these 3 gauges are so good for this setup.
Or what?
So good for this setup.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's cool. I like this car a lot, man.
So it's so clean.
That's what?
Real clean.
Yeah, it is. I had
You know how many miles are on it?
130 or something. That's crazy, man.
We're gonna do a roll.
Low.
See if Lucas will let me run Joe and we'll see.
Yeah, the weight advantage has got to be ginormous.
Did they switch?
I think they're switching. Or did they? They're bags.
It's a big difference, huh?
Lucas did the secret sauce before he came over here.
Lucas just doesn't have an air filter, like part of the air filter in it.
Well, he just put a bunch of race gas in it too before he brought it over here.
Was he?
Yeah. Like, dude, is the hose still in it? Wait.
I'm pretty sure that air filter model is supposed to be worth like a half horsepower or something.
Wow.
Bullshit. I got a Grom.
Yeah, dude. You do a compression test on that one cylinder one?
That's crazy how much quicker this one is.
It's weird.
Like, it takes him being significantly lighter to be like dead even.
Yeah.
Into the Accord. That's Lucas's talent, is like doing wheelies into things and narrowly missing them by like seconds. Stoppy. Oh, that was good, man. That was pretty good. Damn, that was a close race. That last one was neck and neck.
Dude, that last one was
The first one, I got a little bit of a jump.
Joe goes on 2 Cordes. The 2 honks. You did the machine gun honk?
Yep.
You and me race.
I can imagine. I can really imagine.
I looked down, I was like, I'm going like 45 on this, and I have no helmet. I'm a idiot.
I asked both of you if you had helmets. Back there, I'm talking to Lucas. Hey, what happens if we get a street race and take it on a Grom? Switching lanes in front of him?
Sketchy, no helmet.
Yeah.
Do a dig, flip it.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Or yell it. 1, 2. Someone, hey, here's some flashlight.
Are you gonna flashlight it?
Get out of this right here. You're right there. That's
Y'all are wild.
No, he treated me, dude. He got me. Yeah, Joe. Yeah. And Joe pulled me. I couldn't catch him until like they're just not fast anymore. Like 550.
Yeah. Yeah, like, and then they did digs and some good footage.
Perfect.
That was pretty good footage.
All right, see you guys all tomorrow.
Later, skater.
Trying to run some bike?
Oh man, that'd be fun. They were trying to do a dig with Nick's Z06. That would have been pretty funny.
Oh, Jason's gonna be mad.
Jason?
Oh yeah, that's right.
What'd you guys do? Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
You'll see it in the next episode.
He might fight us.
Yeah, I'm not saying anything.
He's gonna start swinging.
It was all Lucas's idea.
Who won?
Oh, you raced it. But I got out in front of him and he still just came right past me.
We flip-flop. Lucas and I ran.
It's sick, huh? I was so stoked. Saw that?
He would beat me if I'm on my
It's
bike.
'cause I got
And
the
then
red
we
key.
flip-flop. And I'd be out a little ahead. And then he would slowly come around me.
I didn't actually come around Joe because Joe smashed the brakes at the last second.
That's how I always race, because then I always win.